Okay, so you got a new toy.
Yeah.
What have you been doing?
A little shopping.
You're not supposed to be shopping. What's in there?
We did a little shopping.
Show us what you got.
It's a surprise. It's a Jack in the Box.
Spaghetti?
It's a number 6 at Jack in the Box.
That looks like spaghetti. What are those?
Saw blades.
For what?
For the meat bandsaw.
That's a meat bandsaw?
That is a meat bandsaw.
Oh, so you've been doing some shopping, huh?
Yeah. Came in a big enough box.
That's a crate. It's almost the same size as a short girl.
No, I'm taller.
Okay, we'll have to come back and see what it looks like here in a minute.
I'm taller.
What are those?
They're little fancy clips.
Isn't that fancy?
Mm-hmm.
It's just like uptown.
Just little fancy shipping.
Them your work pants?
I just got home from work, so I put my relaxing leisure suit on here.
Oh, okay. You're kind of making a lot of noise.
Yeah.
Is that really necessary?
Fancy clips.
Those are fancy. I hope you didn't have to pay freight on that.
Free shipping.
Imagine it all got ate up in freight.
I don't know. It's free shipping.
We want to see what's in the bag.
So what's in the bag?
Got a lot of free blankets.
Yeah.
New pillows. Ooh, fancy. Now what are you going to cut with that?
We got a whole beef to cut.
And you're going to use that fancy
Why
saw?
don't we put it on the table?
And it could go right here next to this fancy grinder, huh?
We got to move the kids' schoolwork, so Wyatt.
Okay, what do you think? Looks pretty fancy.
Stainless steel.
What are you going to cut with that?
Meat.
Like what kind?
Beef. Pig.
But what are you going to cut, like steaks, or what's this for? Why do we need it?
Well, we have to cut bone when you do steaks and
Yeah?
stuff. Rib bones and marrow bones and
T-bones?
T-bones. And
Dog bones?
you have to cut bones.
That looks pretty fancy.
Yeah.
Ham steaks? Will it cut a ham steak?
We'll cut ham steaks. It's not super huge, but we're not in production every day, so for the home use, it'll be fine.
And then what are we going to do with this big old box?
Put me
I
in
don't
it.
know.
Can we ship kids in it? I think it would fit. I think we could ship kids in there, couldn't we?
If you want.
Where would we ship them?
I don't know. Africa, I think.
They could go on a safari.
Sure.
All right, well, can't wait for you to show us how to saw.
You gotta read the directions.
You're going to read the directions?
We're gonna have to.
All right. Okay. Well, let's come back and see it when it does something besides look pretty on the desk.